सो व्हाट्सअप गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो. नाउ ये जो वीडियो है थोड़ा सा कैंडिड होने वाला है एंड इवन माहौल है. सो ये जस्ट ग्रैब समथिंग टू ईट, यू विल एंजॉय दिस वीडियो, ट्रस्ट मी. नाउ इसको थोड़ा सा कैंडिड बनाते हैं, थोड़ा सा लंबा जाएगा एंड यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू एंड नॉलेज फ्रॉम दिस. ठीक है. सो वैसे भी मैंने नोट्स बनाए हैं इसके लिए एंड या यूजुअली मैं नोट्स नहीं बनाता बट है वी हैव. ओके. सो क्या सीन था, मैं और मेरा दोस्त ऐसे घूम रहे थे. सो वाइल टॉकिंग वी आर ऑलवेज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फीमेल साइकोलॉजी, ये वो कि कैसे विमेन मैनिपुलेट करते हैं शादी के बाद, ये वो. तो वी आर ऑलवेज कॉन्स्टेंटली टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. फिर एंड में चलते चलते आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हिम वन क्वेश्चन, यार ये जो भी हम बातें करते हैं, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑल दिस. ठीक है. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑल दिस. सो मतलब एवरीथिंग शुड हैव अ कंक्लूजन, राइट. सो इसका क्या है. सो वी ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट, distilled this thing down. So end में एक ही चीज़ निकली. So this is basically a battle between men and women for power. ये power and manipulation. That was the whole conclusion जो हमारा निकला. So women are trying to fight to gain the power over the man so they can manipulate, and likewise. So that's why men are like, नहीं we are going to stay in our frame and not let them take the throne and power. We will lead in the relationship. So even you are trying to go out there and talk and all those things. Eventually to get what? Power. To seduce the woman, to get the power over her subconscious mind. Those kind of things, right? And why women are like trying to go to gym या फिर look good and dress provocatively या फिर those kind of things to get attention and also to get the power over the other guy. Yes, we can say that we are doing it for the personal development, all those kind of things, but hey, at the end baseline पे यही आता है, who can have the more power and who can manipulate the other gender. Okay, so ये एक scene था and again another friend of mine, so we were having this conversation. So I just told him, hey man, like it's been more or less like I started talking to girls and going out and those kind of things when I was 18 and it's been a decade now. तो उसने मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि प्रीतम, लाइक you have been in this scene for a decade and I just started. He was 24, I think 25, and he is like, how can I cut short and what were the learnings that you got. ये जो decade का जो भी तूने किया है, if you can summarize everything, what would it that be. So I thought for a while and conclusion में एक ही निकला, you can never win over the power games a woman can play. So this game is simply not winnable. So again, I'm not saying getting laid wala game, I'm saying the longer game, the manipulations wala game. So as a man, I think you don't have that bandwidth and हम लोग इतना सोच भी नहीं सकते उतना आगे का. In the moment you might suppress the other gender, in that moment you might just suppress her की and you might think कि हाँ मैं आज जीत गया, but they are not playing this game just to, they are letting you win the battle so that they can win the war. समझ रहे हो. And in their 30s, I'm in my late 20s now, so I'm able to see ये 30s वाले जो है, so ये दरवाज़ा थोड़ा सा खुल चुका है मेरे लिए. So I'm in that position where I'm also being able to speak with those and going out with those women, right? भाई that thing is very different. वो जो category है, because उनका एक तो वो they already have the experiences, they have been through that love वाला phase in their teens, 20s may they have been through that whatever zone, okay, where they are at the peak. Late 20s they have been through that क्या बोलते हैं responsibility, and in their 30s their logical mind is activated completely. So उनकी priorities अलग है, most of them are mothers and वो motherly side आ जाता है, and then the games which they play to manipulate their husbands, it's because I've been on that side of the other side and saw that the way they lie, white lies, that's very 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 क्या बोलते हैं, you can never win that game. Okay, so to conclude, if I was 18 and I'm like, would I go through all my journey and ये सब सीखना, I'd rather say I don't want to like demotivate you from going through your own journey, but I just want to say कि once you see those kind of things, you just can't unsee them. ये जो है ना, like, so that's one thing. And now since we are on this topic, so I was again talking with another friend and we were just talking about this whole thing. So imagine a graph, okay, and on one extreme are the guys who have never interacted with girls. On one extreme there are the guys who were let's say, ठीक है, fine, let's take my example. When I was 18, when I had never interacted with any girl, इस extreme पे where I am right now, यहाँ पे बीच में was the version of me who was in between. एक पैर इधर innocent side, at the same time एक पैर इधर who was like emotionally like kind of done with all this shit. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे 3 लोग हैं, innocent, emotionally dead and बीच वाला, एक पैर इधर एक पैर उधर. So I was talking to a friend of mine, I'm like, यार the people who are so happy, ठीक है, वो जो लोग हैं जिनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, this dark side of female nature, वो खुश रहता है. They just go, they just you know, शादी वादी हो जाती है, arranged marriage हो जाती है, and that's the first girl which they talk with, and they're man happy because उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है. They're like, they go through life and they're fucking happy. And we did agree कि यार truly like if you are in that zone, you're blessed. Okay, and the other side of things, I told him, man, I'm straight more or less like ये जो emotions है, I'm more or less emotionally like done. Okay, like maybe that comes because I've too much exposure to the other things, but this side of things, like I don't think I'll be able to. हाँ, emotions आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, obviously I'm a human, but you know, वो जो प्यार वाला like love angle, that shit doesn't come. Brutally honest. Moment में आ जाता है, in that moment I feel like, oh my god, this is the person, I love you, या फिर I want to cry. But the moment that moment passes away, I'm like, cool, back on the mission, let's go conquer this earth. वो वाला phase आ जाता है. So and तो मैं इस दोस्त को बात कर रहा था. So he said, at the end the conversation was कि यार, those people are so lucky who don't know anything about those things, right? They believe in love, they listen to songs, you know, they write love letters, ये वाले scenes. He just told me one thing which completely blew my mind. He said, you know what, I do agree with you, but at the same time, and that guy was like middle वाला, okay? So इसने थोड़ा सा taste किया है, at the same time he's not at this extreme. So he is like, उसकी problems क्या थी, तो मेरी problems ये थी कि I'm emotionally like more or less done. Okay, I won't believe in true love. It's a sad fact, that kind of thing. But hey, in that moment I can feel this. But ये बीच वाला जो बंदा है, इसकी क्या problem थी कि he'll get insecure. So he can just, if he is like, if I can just walk up to any girl and talk and make things happen, obviously other guys are going to make that shit happen, right? So इसको insecurity आने लग गई. So I was like, यार हम दोनों की लग गई है. So it's better कि ये वाला जो बंदा है इस extreme पे, it's good for him because he doesn't know any of those things. He said it's true, but बाद में जाके, let's say he's married, he's in his 30s, in his 40s, then he finds out something of those kind of things कि उसकी wife का past, या फिर she's texting to some dude, even if it's just friend, and let's say कि divorce हो जाता है, something happens. Because see, we have to be practical about this. I'm not saying it will happen, but just food for the thought, right? So वो, if he finds out something here and there, वो ना ऐसा, he won't be able to come out of it. So he'll not bend, he'll straight up break. And वो जो trauma का part है, man, like how fucking traumatic it will be. Can you even imagine for that guy, who's the first person he has ever interacted with, is the first girl he has ever touched is his wife, and if he is so emotionally invested, and when he is like married, he has kids, and वहाँ पे कुछ हो जाता है, and they go away, now he is left with what? तो उसका ये downside है. Once you are completely unaware, तो उसका वो downside है कि you will be completely fucked, because ये जब चीज़ें, when they, you might have seen, अभी divorce cases are happening, like to be honest. So there was a guy in his 40s, kids, everything, and his wife just left him. I don't know what happened. Now he just every day just goes, smokes, drinks. There's no, seriously, he just can't do anything. Okay, he can't like straight up reinvent himself. And the beach wala banda is like insecurity mein phasa hua hai. And this side of guy, let's say that shit happens with me or the middle wala guy. Because you never know, man, you never know. Okay, so after that, बुरा लगेगा, ट्रॉमेटाइज होंगे हम लोग, बट वी हैव द पावर टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट, reinvent ourselves, and go through life. So at the end, everything boils down to one thing, and that is being able to protect yourself. ठीक है, so emotions are good, women are good, everything is good. End में, if you need to be able to, क्या बोलता है, like protect yourself, protect your heart and move forward. You have so much to contribute to this world, right? You need to, for me it's like making helping other people to become the best version of themselves. While I'm on this journey, I want to enjoy myself and give out love. ठीक है? At the same time, I don't want to damage myself in that process. Even if I do, even if I give myself completely and someone pokes me, damages me, I have the ability to come out of it. ठीक है? And keep giving. So this was the whole journey, and again, this is one of those rant wala videos, but at the same time you get a lot of value out of it. तो अभी क्या सीन हो रहा है? Everything is shifting. So imagine पहले tribe होते थे, right? So polygamy होता था. So the tribe women used to like have multiple partners, and वो tribe का बच्चा होता था. So let's say ये artist है, ये sailor है, so ये architect है, so the other one is chief. So इनके सारे वो जो गुण बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, मतलब traits उस बच्चे में आ जाएंगे. And it was, वो पता नहीं रहता था किसका बच्चा है, so it's the kid of the whole tribe. So that was पहले होता था. Then what happened? This nuclear families came. So one husband, one wife. We together, we form and we meet and we come up with. So one thing about history, that it always rhymes. जो पास्ट में हुआ था is going to repeat in future. If you might have seen ये dark वाली series, DRK, German series है. That's fucking awesome. Okay. So ये past, future, present, all those things. Now what's happening is the wave, whatever polygamy, monogamy, now it's happening again polygamy. This side of things are coming. So just to give you another example, शोले में अमिताभ बच्चन को देख लो. He's wearing his bell bottom. फिर बाद में in that was in 70s 80s. फिर बाद में in 2000s what happened? Straight fit आ गए. फिर 2010s के बाद slim fit आ गए. Then again now it's going towards bell bottom. So देख रहे हो, I told you, always some things, whatever has happened in history, past में, it's going to repeat after a point in time. So same way we are heading towards polygamy more or less, and I want you to protect yourself. End of the day. Yes, we believe in religion, culture, everything. Yes. Okay. End में, if things go west, do you have that thing in you to come out of it? Okay, or are you one of those people who will just get perished? Take a hammer on the last point key. So there was an incident. I had one girl. She was 23, 24, and that girl is into gym and she looks good, fucking awesome girl. So she was just showing me some texts, and that disturbed me a lot. So she was just showing me. So I just told her, "Yaar, you're so good. Like, why you have so much to share? Why don't you just open your Insta and make some content?" She straight up was like, I'm at that point where I don't want any random horny guys just to text me. Okay, मैं ऐसी एक मेरा नाम भी डाल दूँगी, फोटो भी नहीं डालूँगी, फिर भी I'll have like 100+ requests. So I just don't want to go through that and deal with that shit. And she showed me some texts which like completely blew my mind. So there was a dude in his 40s. So they are kind of like live in the same society, that kind of thing. And that dude was, and that guy is married, and that guy has a kid, and the second kid is on the way. So he's texting this girl, "I love you, dear, like, oh, you are looking good today." So that disturbed me. So I was like, yaar, if let's say you take that piece of evidence, and लड़कियाँ chat delete नहीं करती, ठीक है? If you take that piece of evidence, you go and just show it to her wife. It's fucked, man. That's fucked. How much power do you hold? Again, I told you this manipulation and power wala game, right? She was like, yeah, if I want to just like, उसकी अगर ज़िंदगी मेरे को बर्बाद करनी है, I can just do like this. And the height, I'll tell you, that guy has a brother, twin brother. That dude is also texting her. So that pissed me off. Not on this girl. वो क्या ही कर रही है? Because on the guys. ठीक है? So हमारे standards इतने low है. Because since again, अगर तुमने ज़िंदगी में ये चीज़ें नहीं की है, if you haven't unlocked this side of things, so ये base instincts वाली चीज़ें है. And for me personally, when I was 18, I had never spoken because boys school था, ये था, वो था. So I had all that thing in me. So by the time I was 22 to 25, I just went out and did a lot of things. So वो मेरा बाहर निकल चुका है. So same way with few of my friends who have never been able to take that thing out. You'll never be satisfied. यानी ये जो बेस वाली जो चीज़ है ना, इंस्टिंक्ट्स वाली, you need to get that thing out. सो इन बंदों में ऑब्वियसली दे आर 40s, दे हैवंट डन एनीथिंग, वो अब बाहर निकलता है। सो व्हेनेवर आई एम विद अ गर्ल एंड वॉकिंग अराउंड इन पार्क्स, ये जो अंकल ऐसे गंदी नज़रों से देखते रहते हैं, मेरे को बहुत गंदा लगता है। भाई एक नज़र डालो, देख लो, सिविक सेंस रहता है, छोड़ दो, नहीं, विल कीप स्टेयरिंग। इतना ऑकवर्ड हो जाता है बिकॉज they haven't been through that phase of their life, right? So if you're in the position where you can go out and approach and all those things, hey, I would suggest you go and do that thing. Become a man with multiple options. Take that thing out so that जब तुम्हारी family होगी, everything will be there. You will be the best husband and the best father. Okay? And वो एक चीज़ है. So I think this was one of the good video. Hope you got a lot out of this. And yeah, also most of you did comment like you like this क्या बोलता है background, and it was a fun video to make. And again, thanks for watching, and please do give this video a thumbs up, comment whatever your thoughts are. Also there should be a link down in the description for our school community, please to join in. And again, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.